please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I really like how the curls came out. They're not too tight. They're pretty loose because I'm just going down the road. So I didn't do too much, but it's real nice. And like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and watch my other videos. Thank you.